Hello friends, myself Manjushree Gunjegavkar from Sri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandal, Rasikla M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, Chinsur. In this video, we are going to study in detail about chemistry of anticonvulsant agent. Before going for chemistry, we should learn certain definitions. That means what is mean by convulsions, what is mean by anti-epileptic or anticonvulsant agent. So, convulsions are defined as paroxysmal, self-sustaining and self-limiting cerebral dysarrhythmia. And anti-epileptic, these are the drug used to prevent or diminish the severity of convulsive seizures. It is characterized by an abnormal and excessive EEG discharge and by disturbance of consciousness. It may or may not be associated with body movements or hyperactivity of autonomic nervous system. Convulsive states are observed in the concentration of gamma aminobutyric acid in the brain is low below certain level, or the effect of the GABA has been blocked. There are various conditions in which seizures can occur. First one is there may be hereditary factor, or seizures are due to high temperature, seizures as a result of acute illness like meningitis, and seizures as a result of toxic or metabolic disorder. Now, the epileptic seizures may be divided into two groups. First one is generalized seizure and the second one is partial seizure. This partial seizure is also known as a focal seizure. Generalized seizures are divided into two types: tonic-clonic seizure or grand mal seizure, and absence seizures, or it is also called as petit mal seizure. Whereas partial seizures are divided into two types with elementary symptoms like Jacksonian motor epilepsy with or and second one is with complex symptomology, for example psychomotic seizures. Now next we are going to study about the classification of anticonvulsant agent. It is classified into 7 classes: barbiturates, hydantoin, succinimide, oxazolidine 2,4-dione, then glutarimide, acylurides and miscellaneous. The miscellaneous class is further subdivided into different types. Barbiturate example are phenobarbital, mefobarbital. Hydantoin example phenytoin, methoin, ethotoin. Succinimide for example ethosuccinimide, phensuccinimide. Oxazolidine 2,4-dione derivatives example trimethadione, paramethadione. Glutarimide for example aminoglutathione. Acylurides and acylurias example phenacimide, and last one is miscellaneous. As I told you, the miscellaneous class is further divided into different types like benzodiazepine derivative, for example dibenzazepam, clonazepam, nitrazepam. Dibenzazepine derivative, for example carbamazepine. Hexahydropyridine 4,6-dione, for example primidone. Carboxylic acid, for example sodium valproate, and sulfonamide, for example acetazolamide. So here we are going to see now one by one the detailed chemistry of the drug. First one is mefobarbital. The structure of mefobarbital is as shown over here. It differs from phenobarbital in having methyl group at first position. Physical properties: available as white crystalline powder, odorless, bitter taste, slightly soluble in water, soluble in solutions of alkali hydroxides and carbonate. Next comes stability and storage. It should be stored in well closed container. Uses: it is used as strong sedative, anticonvulsant and relief of anxiety, tension and apprehension. Brand name of mefobarbital is formulation is tablet and brand name is Mebaral and Prominal. Next and the most important drug which we are going to see now is phenytoin. It is hydantoin derivative which is imidazolidine 2,4-dione. Chemical name of phenytoin is 5,5-diphenyl imidazolidine 2,4-dione. Physical here in this phenytoin it consists of imidazolidine ring, and at the second and fourth position it is having two oxo group, whereas the fifth position of imidazolidine ring is having two phenyl rings. So the chemical name becomes 5,5-diphenyl imidazolidine 2,4-dione. Physical properties are available as white crystalline powder, odorless, very slightly soluble in water, soluble in solutions of alkali hydroxide. Now, if it is available in its sodium salt, then the physical properties becomes again white crystalline powder, odorless, soluble in water and slightly hygroscopic in nature. Here, in the solubility of the drug increases if we form the sodium salt. Stability, the drug is stored in tightly closed container. Uses are used as anti-epileptic agent to control the status epilepticus, for prophylactic management of certain forms of supraventricular cardiac arrhythmias, certain varieties of migraine, treat myotonia, to treat trigeminal neuralgia. Formulations of phenytoin are capsule, tablet, injection, phenytoin and phenobarbital tablet. Brand name Iptoin and Garoin. Next drug is methoin. It differs from the phenytoin in having the ethyl group instead of phenyl group at fifth position, and the methyl group is present at first position as compared to phenytoin. Physical properties include colorless, lustrous plate, for odorless, very slightly soluble in water and soluble in solutions of alkali hydroxide. Stability and storage, it should be stored in well closed container. Uses, it is used in the treatment of tonic clonic seizure, in psychomotor or Jacksonian epilepsy and in behavioral disorder. Formulations are methoin tablet and brand name Mesantoin. Next drug comes, that is ethotoin. It differs from the phenytoin in having hydrogen instead of the other phenyl group, and C2H5 group, that is ethyl group, is present at the first position if we compared with the phenytoin. Physical properties are available as white crystalline powder, almost odorless, colorless, practically soluble in water and freely soluble in chloroform. Stability and storage, it should be stored in well closed container. Uses, use in treatment of tonic clonic seizures. Formulation of ethotoin tablet and brand name is Pegagon. Next drugs comes here, that is ethosuximide. This ethosuximide, if we look at the chemistry, it is succinimide derivative. It contains pyrrolidine heterocycle. Two oxo groups are present mainly at second and fifth position of pyrrolidine ring. One ethyl group and one methyl group is present at third position of the pyrrolidine ring. So the chemical name becomes 3-ethyl 3-methyl pyrrolidine 2,5-dione or alpha ethyl alpha methyl succinimide. Physical properties are available as white powder or waxy solid, odorless and slightly bitter taste, freely soluble in water. Stability and storage are, it is stable in air, light, and at 37 degrees centigrade it should be stored in well closed container. Uses, it is the drug of choice to treat the petit mal epilepsy. Formulations include capsules and elixir, and brand names are Imacide and Zorontin. Next drug is fensuximide. It differs from ethosuximide in having the phenyl group instead of ethyl and hydrogen instead of methyl at the position 3. The structure of phensuximide is as shown in the figure. The physical properties are available as white to off-white crystalline powder, odorless, slightly soluble in water, freely soluble in alcohol. Storage: it is stored in well-closed container. Uses: to treat absence seizure, control the severe epilepsy, particularly mixed form of complex partial seizures. Formulations are capsule and brand name is Melontine. Next drug is here trimethadione, or it is also called as troxidone. Chemistry: it is oxazolidine 2,4 derivative, dione derivative, having the oxazolidine as a heterocyclic ring, and the two oxo groups are present at second and fourth position. Three groups are attached to this oxazolidine ring at third, 5 and 5 position, and the chemical name becomes 3,5,5 trimethyl oxazolidine 2,4 dione. Physical properties are available as colorless granular crystals, slightly camphor-like odor, soluble in water, freely soluble in alcohol, and precipitated by barium hydroxide solution. Storage: it should be stored in tightly closed container. It is used as a anti-epileptic agent to treat the absence seizure. Formulations of trimethadione are capsules, tablet, oral solutions, and brand name are Tridione and Trimidone. Next drug is paramethadione. Chemical name of paramethadione is 5-ethyl 3,5-dimethyl oxazolidine 2,4 dione. Here the structure is also having oxazolidine 2,4 dione as a heterocyclic ring, and the ethyl and 2-methyl groups are present at 5th and 3rd and 5th positions respectively. Physical properties are clear colorless liquid with aromatic odor, sparingly soluble in water and freely soluble in alcohol. Storage: it should be stored in well closed container. Uses: anti-epileptic to treat absence seizures. Formulations: capsules or oral suspension, and brand names are is Paradione. Next drug here we are going to study, that is Primidone. If we look at the chemistry of the Primidone, it is 2-deoxy analogues of phenobarbital. That means the structure is similar to phenobarbital, only the oxo group at the second position is removed if we considered or compared it with the phenobarbital. In body it is partially metabolized to phenobarbital. It is hexahydropyrimidine 4,6-dione derivative, in which one ethyl, one phenyl group is present at 5th position. The structure is as shown here. Physical properties: it is available as white crystalline powder, odorless and slightly bitter taste, slightly soluble in water and slightly soluble in alcohol. Storage: it is stored in well closed container. Uses are used in the treatment of tonic-clonic seizures, complex partial seizures and essential tremors. Formulations: tablets and capsules. Brand names are Dialone and Mylepsin. Next drug is carbamazepine. Carbamazepine, the structure is as shown here. It is imino-dibenzyl derivative, in which the carbamoyl group is present at 5th position. Physical properties are available as white to yellowish white crystalline powder, odorless with slight bitter taste, very slightly soluble in water and soluble in alcohol. Chemical properties: when it is heated with a nitric acid, it gives orange red color. Storage, it is stored in well closed container. Uses, it is used as anticonvulsant, used to treat pain associated with trigeminal neuralgia, treat the alcohol withdrawal symptom, and used in the treatment of diabetes insipidus. Formulations are tablets and mixture. So this is regarding